This is Storm Track 12.
We've been on the extreme end of the spectrum. On one side or the other the last week or so, either bitterly cold or extremely warm. We're finally starting to go into the middle there as we go throughout the night tonight, as temperatures, they've quickly dropped from those very warm temperatures earlier in the 50s, and we're back down to 30 degrees, more of a typical temperature at this hour for this time of year as we look down towards Johnson City there. The next storm system is quickly approaching from the west. It's bringing rain, mixed precipitation and snow through much of the Midwest right now. That rain starting to extend as well into portions of Ohio. That's what we're going to be keeping an eye on as we go into Wednesday. But for the time being, we were pretty quiet all day today once that light rain moved out early this morning, and that is the case again tonight. Just some low cloud cover out there and also a few high clouds passing overhead as well. Otherwise, things are very quiet as we move through the night tonight. Temperatures, again, they have quickly bottomed out after we had 50s this afternoon, mainly in those lower 30s to even some upper 20s after one of those spots out there tonight. And the cold air has extended all the way across the mid-Atlantic and Northeast, except for just along the coast. They're still hanging on to some upper 40s and lower 50s. So yes, we have those colder conditions going throughout the rest of the night tonight. Precipitation from that storm arrives around the lunch hour tomorrow. And now we just got our latest data in here. There is still freezing rain possible to the east, but the chance of freezing rain is decreasing the farther west you go. We're expecting this freezing rain mainly to be confined to the Catskills, hence the winter weather advisory over in that area. Future tracks showing the quiet night we are going to have tonight, but there's that precipitation again. As it moves in, temperatures are going to be warming up just enough that we're expecting this to be mainly rain for areas again west of Interstate 81 and also through the entirety of Shenango and most of Broome County as well. And again, it's going to stay as rain, but notice these pockets of pink here. That's the freezing rain that we could see again in the Catskills as we go through the late afternoon through the early evening tomorrow. But the good news here is that the precipitation, it'll be wrapping up rather quickly. We'll have a nice dry spot there into Thursday morning, but then rain does return through the rest of the day on Thursday. So again, we've changed our thinking a little bit here with the freezing rain. Still possible into areas across the Catskills here in the purple through tomorrow afternoon. There is still a very slight chance for about a half an hour to an hour's worth of freezing rain here, but we removed the color on the western side of the map because it's looking more and more like just rain tomorrow. Those temperatures moving out there tonight, 20s all the way through. We'll warm up into the 30s. There's that warm air that's allowing us to think we're going to see mainly rain tomorrow in those locations, and then we'll be in the 30s all the way into Thursday, at least until the afternoon when we warm up into the 40s. Tonight, 22 degrees. Again, very quiet, very calm out there. There's that rain moving in through the afternoon tomorrow as we warm up into the middle 30s. Rain continues Thursday and Friday before switching to some snow and then drier conditions for the weekend. But the catch is, it is going to be a little bit colder.
That's all right, I guess. If we have to deal with February, it's going to be cold.
That's exactly, and we'll take the sunshine when we can get it.
Absolutely, Damon. Thank you. After the break here, an Olympic gold medalist talk about Elmira